So I'll start off by saying it is 100% the best thing you can do as a brand new real estate agent, and I'll get into why with real examples of getting clients with less than 20 subscribers. But it's hands down the best thing you can do for any real estate agent or broker. Growing your real estate personal brand on YouTube, getting yourself in front of, in my opinion, the best audience in the world that is actually searching for what you create content on cannot be beat. In this video, I'll go through 5 reasons why YouTube is the best thing you can do for your real estate career. Just quickly though, if you find these videos helpful, consider liking and subscribing. It means an absolute ton to me, but let's just dive right into the video. First on the list is search engine. Search versus feed. Google and YouTube versus Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Feed can be an absolute powerful thing. If done right, interrupting people's day with the right content can pay off 100%. But search is a beautiful thing, and the clients that reach out to you, again, if done right, feel like they know you and only want to do business with you. If you are delivering the right message while providing value and positioning yourself as an expert in your area, you will not just generate business, but business from clients that are like yourself. Which leads us to number 2, your audience and the clients you generate. If someone reaches out to you because the content you provide and the videos you make, there was a connection made in one form or the other. And if you're just being yourself and passionate about what you do, that message will be received by an equal. You're not going to work with every type of person, and the real estate agent that wants to work with everyone will work with no one. In my opinion, nor would you want to work with every type of person. You're building a business here, and quality of life matters. Define your audience and attract clients that reach out to you by just being yourself. If you stay consistent, providing value to your audience on a weekly basis, just that hard work, expertise, and knowledge will go noticed. Coupled with a new potential audience that the YouTube platform organically brings searching for your topics, that audience will be defined and you will have your desired clients. Organically is an amazing word, which leads us to number 3. Free. If you're a brand new agent and you're in the majority, one of your top priorities at the beginning might be to keep your costs low. What's crazy is if you even have a potential budget, but you're not a marketer and you have no experience on growing a business, you might not want to spend money at the start because you don't know how. Since becoming a real estate agent, you've probably been bombarded by people offering to provide you leads. The offer promise of qualified leads will start to drive you crazy. And if you take one thing away from this video, and I hope it's this, a lead means nothing if you're not growing your personal brand with it. If you're like me, I'm in this business for life, and I care about long-term personal brand growth and business growth, and in my opinion, it's the best mindset to have for even your quality of life. The variance of being a real estate agent does break people, but if you're generating those leads while growing your personal brand long term, it's a slam dunk. But how can the best thing that you can do, build a real estate YouTube channel on this platform, also be free? It's not only free, but this platform actually starts to pay you, which leads us to number 4, YouTube AdSense. At the time of this video, once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you now become a YouTube partner and collect revenue. Depending on the type of content that you're making and how consistent you are being, your AdSense could be as little as $50 or $60 a month to into the hundreds or even the thousands. Of course, it could be endless. There is no ceiling, but if you're creating a YouTube real estate channel, how I suggest, which is creating amazing local content for your area, I don't suggest focusing on AdSense. It's definitely nice to have if you're watching this right now and you have a website. Well, you pay for that website, and unless you're driving traffic to that website, it just sits there. YouTube is a platform to hold your videos that is free, has organic traffic flooding to it every single minute of every single day, and then it starts to pay you. It's nice to have, of course, but I do just consider it a bonus. What I suggest focusing on is generating leads, closing deals, which leads us to number 5, building a business, or to be more dramatic, building your YouTube empire. By far, the most money you will make will be the clients that you generate from your real estate YouTube channel and the deals that you do with them. With just one YouTube client in my area of Kitchener-Waterloo, Ontario, with an average home price of approaching or around $1 million with a conservative 2% commission, each client can be worth $20,000. And if you're like me, as mentioned, and you think long term, the value of a well-treated client, repeat sales, referrals, well, a well-treated client can be worth 10 times that. Customer lifetime value, CLV, should literally be the reason why you got into real estate. I know everyone says passion, and it's amazing to have, it truly is, because that will shine through in your videos. But the reasons why I got my real estate license is because of building a business. Low cost of client acquisition in comparison to the return on investment and customer lifetime value. Starbucks sells $4 to $6 coffees, but they consider every client of theirs to be worth over $14,000. Well, in the real estate industry, we might not have that ridiculous 2800x multiplication and the same CLV as Starbucks, but in high ticket sales, 5 or 10 times that $20,000 transaction, that's good business over time. On the short term though, get just 5 clients a year from your YouTube channel, and depending on your area, do the math, I will have just cleared $5 million in sales and around $100,000 in commissions. Daniel Hale started his YouTube channel based on everything in the YouTube real estate lead and brand mastery program of mine, and with less than 20 subscribers and only 6 videos, is already working with clients 100% generated from YouTube. That is insane, and what's the most beautiful part is those videos, if done right, just stay evergreen on YouTube, generating you leads while you produce the next one. At the time of this video, Daniel has no more than 200 views on any one of his videos, but the power of 100 views. The power of 100 views from the right people is significantly more powerful than even 100,000 from the wrong. In my program that's in the description below, I break down every single step from creating your channel, what content to create that gets that organic traffic, to filming, editing, launching your first video, and growth. I completely simplify the process. Your entire real estate YouTube channel can be filmed literally from your home office with the power of utilizing good B-roll and simple editing. That link in the description below is a value link as well for the YouTube family and anyone who is subscribed. I know just how undervalued that course is, and it's for agents and brokers that really want to grow a long-term personal brand around this license. I really hope that gave you a good idea of YouTube for real estate agents, for brand new agents, or even agents or brokers that are established and looking to build. My name is Callum Moore, and reach out if you have any questions at all. You can DM, email, comment on this video. I get back to everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.